get my heart broken. I'm not the type to get upset and cry, 'cause I never leave my heart open. It never hurts me to say goodbye. Relationships don't get deep to me. Never got the whole in love thing. And someone could say they love me truly, but at the time it didn't mean a thing. My mind has gone, I'm spinning round, and deep inside my tears I'll drown. I'm losing grip, what's happening? Astray from love, this